Good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you're joining from. This is the fifth episode in our series of online workshops hosted by Digital HealthWorks. And today we're going to be talking about valuing investments in health technology. So I'm going to be your moderator today, and I'm joined by my colleague Daniel Young, and we have our guest speaker, John Schneider, with us today as well. So I'll be introducing them in a moment. Just to remind you on the format of these workshops, so we want this to be a relatively casual presentation. We're going to start off with about 15 minutes of a formal presentation, followed by a moderated discussion. So feel free to ask any questions along the way. You can type them into the chat, but at the end, you're very welcome to unmute yourselves, turn on your cameras, and actually join in to our discussion. So don't be shy. As a little overview, Digital HealthWorks is a commercialization agency for digital health and medtech ventures. So our mission is to bring amazing innovations to the US and European markets. We work with a lot of groundbreaking technologies that are united by their mutual struggle to align on the regulatory, the market access, and the sales strategies. So we have experts based out of Berlin, Boston, and Lisbon, and we work in those three core areas. So really regulatory, market access, and sales. So today, my name is Romy Benninga. I'm going to be the moderator. I'm a market access and medtech consultant with Digital HealthWorks. I've been in the medtech industry for the past 7 years, working in